Okay, friends, I just found a YouTube channel that gained 90K subscribers in only 2 months, with just 50 videos and over 4 million total views. And no, these aren't YouTube shorts, they're long-form videos. Why is that important? Because long-form videos mean higher RPM. On average, YouTube shorts get around 0 to 10 RPM, but long-form videos? Around $3 RPM. That's 30 times higher. If you have some extra time and you're looking to make money on YouTube, especially from ad revenue, long-form videos are definitely easier to monetize. To monetize long videos, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year. But YouTube Shorts need 1,000 subscribers, but a whopping 10 million views in just 90 days. For beginners, hitting 10 million views that fast is pretty challenging. Okay, back on track. Did you notice the best part about this niche? Yep, you don't have to show your face at all. With just a few free AI tools, you can create a similar channel yourself. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel and stick around until the end of this video. I'll guide you step by step on how to create these videos yourself. Alright, first things first. We need a viral script. The fastest way to get one is by studying scripts from successful creators. How to do it? Find your target YouTube channel, copy their info, the channel's name, description, and top video titles, and send it all to ChatGPT so it knows exactly what to aim for. Next, open one of their videos, click the share button, and copy the link. Go to the YouTube transcript website, paste the link, click Get Transcript, and boom, you have the video's script. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and wait a few moments. ChatGPT will quickly analyze the script structure and even give suggestions for improvement. Pretty cool, right? Now in ChatGPT, enter this prompt. Since I'm creating a demo video, I asked ChatGPT for a 1-minute script, but I recommend at least 8 minutes for long-form videos. Why? Because when you monetize videos over 8 minutes, YouTube inserts ads at the beginning, middle, and end, meaning more revenue. Under 8 minutes, you'll only get ads at the beginning and end. And bam, ChatGPT quickly delivers your script. Looks pretty good. Next step, images for our viral script. No need to worry about finding copyright-free chips. We also use AI to generate them. Use another prompt in ChatGPT. Worried the prompt's too long to remember? Don't stress. I've shared all the prompts in my WhatsApp channel. Just click the link in the description to check them out. Alright, as you can see, ChatGPT quickly generated 10 image prompts. They look great. Now, let's see how those images turn out. In this video, we'll use Dreamina AI. Open Dreamina AI, sign up, and log in. Every day you get 120 free credits. Each image costs 2 credits, so you can generate 60 images daily, more than enough for beginners. Back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, head to Dreamina AI, click Generate under Image Generator, paste the prompt, set the model to Image 2.1, quality to 10, aspect ratio to 16.9, and hit Generate. Awesome! Our first image is ready. Choose your favorite, click HD Upscale, and when done, hit Edit on Canvas, then Export. Now you have a watermark-free image. Repeat these steps for every image prompt, then download them all to your computer. Next, we need a voiceover. For this, we'll use DupDub. This is really an amazing tool for AI avatars, voiceovers, voice cloning, translations, transcriptions, and more. The link is in the description if you want to try for it. Once logged in, click on AI Voiceover. On the right side, hit Change Voiceover, filter to English/American, male, adults, then select Motivational on the left. Let's listen. I think Coulter Nelson sounds great, so we'll go with him. Paste your script, hit Generate, and just like that, your voiceover is ready. Now click Export.
Imagine that. The very things you've tried to hide. Your fears, doubts, and insecurities.
Hold on. Are we forgetting something? Yep, background music. I suggest using YouTube Audio Library, just because you won't have copyright issue. Since our topic is philosophy and self-improvement, let's pick something inspirational music. Click Mood, choose Inspirational, preview a few tracks, and download your favorite. Now, editing time. We'll use CapCut again. Open CapCut, import all your files. Once done, drag your voiceover onto the timeline, adjust the audio volume if needed, then add your images to the timeline. Preview and arrange images to match the voiceover. Next, add effects. Select black noise. Then add vignette. Also, you can try play pendulum to add subtle movement. Go to animation, add the zoom in effect to each image, matching the original video style. Then add transitions. Choose Blink and click Apply to All. Once effects are done, add captions. Click Text, then Auto Captions, select English, and hit Generate. If the captions look off, don't worry. Just click Templates, choose a nice-looking caption style to match the original video, and adjust caption timing slightly for a smoother viewing experience. Now add background music, trim extra parts, and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. And done. We're ready to export.
Imagine that, the very things you've tried to hide, your fears, doubts, and insecurities, aren't obstacles but guides leading you toward your true purpose. Carl Jung called this hidden self the shadow, the unconscious parts of ourselves we suppress because they seem unacceptable or uncomfortable. Yet, within this shadow lies untapped potential, waiting to be embraced. Think of how often others trigger strong reactions in you: irritation, envy, or anger. Jung believed these reactions are mirrors, showing you parts of your shadow you've denied. What if, instead of rejecting these feelings, you listen to them? By acknowledging and understanding your shadow, you begin a journey Jung called individuation, the path toward becoming your authentic self. The shadow isn't your enemy, it's your greatest teacher, guiding you to freedom, purpose, and inner peace. Today, ask yourself, what hidden part of me is ready to step into the light?
Wait, you think that's it? Not yet! We still need a catchy title and thumbnail. Again, use ChatGPT and AI for help. Enter this prompt in ChatGPT and wait to see what we will get. Looks good, right? Now generate a thumbnail image using another prompt. Bam! Copy the prompt, head back to Dreamina AI, paste and generate. Pick an image, upscale, and export it. Now add text to the thumbnail using Canva. Click Create, select YouTube thumbnail, upload your image, add text, apply some cool effects, put a black box beneath the text, and click Share to download your finished thumbnail. Now your video is finally complete. A strong title, eye-catching thumbnail, and an engaging video description. Congrats for making it this far. You're already ahead of 90% of viewers. Treat yourself to a coffee, then get ready to create your masterpiece. If you hit subscribe now and share my channel, you're officially in the top 1%. Cheers! For even better channel growth, consider tools like vidIQ. It helps you discover keywords, optimize your videos, create thumbnails, and generate content. Find the link in the description for more details. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Good luck!